Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a full-stack Python developer? This role is pivotal in today's digital landscape, as these developers craft both the front-end and back-end of web applications. Full-stack Python development is not just a job, it's a career with vast opportunities. Now, you might ask, what does a career path look like for a full-stack Python developer? Well, it's a journey that begins with a solid understanding of several key skills. Python, of course, is the foundation, but you'll also need a grasp of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to handle front-end tasks, along with knowledge of databases for the back-end. Once you've mastered these basics, it's on to more advanced tools like the Django or Flask frameworks, which can help streamline your development process. But remember, in the ever-evolving tech landscape, continuous learning is critical. Stay updated, stay relevant. So the journey to becoming a full-stack Python developer is challenging but rewarding. With the right mindset and determination, you can definitely make your mark in this field. Wondering about the opportunities that await a full-stack Python developer? The demand is soaring in various sectors. Tech companies, startups, e-commerce platforms, and financial institutions are all on the hunt for these versatile professionals. But it's not just about job availability. The salary packages are attractive and the projects diverse, keeping your career dynamic and exciting. You could be building a fintech app today and working on a groundbreaking AI project tomorrow. Indeed, a full-stack Python developer has a promising future. Ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's introduce you to the Full-Stack Python Developer course at CAD Nest. Our course is packed with benefits. You'll learn from seasoned instructors, gain hands-on experience through practical training, and receive invaluable job assistance. We're here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring you're equipped with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in this industry. Enroll in the Full-Stack Python Developer course at CAD Nest today and take the first step towards a successful career in full-stack Python development.